Good morning. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Today we have ourselves another go pack. We're going to make it fast. Let's go. Give me a Ditto. Give me a Radiant Zard. Give me a Radiant Blastoise. Give me a Radiant Venusaur. Something cool. Something to remember this video by. Brought to you by Johnny WaffleVision. I'm just kidding around. Alright. Let's make it happen. I'm going to start with an Electric Energy. Soul Rock. Egg Incubator. Charmeleon, Rattata of the Alolan variety, Spinarak, Pikachu, Wimpod, Pidove, a reverse hollow Pokestop, and another hollow Melmetal. Melmetal's taking over, I told you so.